What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Codeine-Cobain by juice-wrld. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else your mom's a hoe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got one riff that just repeats out the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, as well as the free ebook called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. If you need either of those, they're in the video description, so jump in the description once you get done. We're starting out with this version of a B chord. You're gonna bar the entire 7th fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 9th fret of the D string, and on the pinky finger on the 9th fret of the high E. And you're just picking those 3 strings. So you don't necessarily have to bar the entire 9th fret. It is good practice, it'll help with your hand strength, but if you want to just do index on 7, ring on 9, pinky on 9, you can do that as well. And you're just picking E, D, E, picking that low E again, and then 11 on D. And slide down to the 5th fret. This one you will have to bar all the way with your index finger on the 5th fret, your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D, and you're just picking that E, D, E again. So, that's what that looks like, and that plays through 3 times. Third time you're going to go to the 12th fret on the D string with your ring finger, 10 on the B string with your index finger, and 12 on the D string. You can do index and ring with your middle on the D, but it's 12 on D, 10 on B, 12 on high E. And you're just picking those 3 strings and muting. And then 14 on A, or 12 on A, 14 on D, and then 14 on D, 12 on B, 14 on high E. So that looks like. One more time. I'm going to play the whole riff all the way through slowly so you can see what it looks like. Here it is. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.